Hey everyone, welcome. So I'm heading off to historic Batstow Village here in New Jersey, and I'm going to be taking some more black and white photos for the Frugal Film Project. And again, I'm going to be using the Praktica MTL3 and the Pentax SMC Takumar 55mm f2 lens. Now, this particular lens was not my first choice at the start of the project, but I'll explain that as we go along. I will be shooting Arista 200 rated at 160, and I'm going to develop it in Clayton F76 Plus, dilution 1:9 for 7.5 minutes at 68 degrees. Okay, so here I go again, and I'm off shooting some more photos for the Frugal Film Project. This time it would be for the month of August, and as I mentioned, I'm using a Pentax 55mm f2 lens and a Praktica MTL3, which has turned out to be a pretty nice combination so far. Now the thing is that when I first started the project back in January, my plan was to use a 35mm 2.8 Hanimar wide-angle lens. That lens cost me $14. The camera cost me $25, and I also have a 135mm 2.8 lens that I might occasionally use, which I purchased for $12. So the whole kit was $51, coming in under the $75 max limit that the project allows. The only issue being, I have not been able to capture many, if any, images with the Hanimar 35mm lens that I felt had acceptable sharpness, especially on the edges, even stopped down to f8 or f11, and in most cases, not only the edges, but the overall image seemed soft. But then again, what was I expecting from a late 1960s lens that was originally manufactured as a lower budget product to begin with? So after using it January through March of this year, I gave up on the Hanimar 35mm wide-angle lens. And since I could not find a better quality 35mm lens and still stay within the group's budget, I decided to use the 55mm Takumar normal lens with its slightly tighter field of view. The Pentax lens with its super multi-coated glass elements is sharper and has better contrast. So that being said, I will happily finish the year's Frugal Film Project with the Pentax 55mm lens. So off I go through historic Batstow Village, which is located in the Jersey Pine Barrens in southern New Jersey, and a few more photos for the Frugal Film Project. And if you've been hanging out, I thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one.